MUNSCH, highest quality non-metallic centrifugal pumps and plastic welding extruders from Germany's Westerwald region. We are the experts whenever it comes to non-metallic pumps for aggressive and abrasive service environments and the worldwide market and technology leader in the field of handheld welding extruders. MUNSCH stands for quality, reliability and know-how. Drawing on decades of know-how and expertise, we assist you with competent advice to deliver tailor-made solutions to your pumping tasks, always keeping an eye on cost-effectiveness and energy efficiency. Our development and engineering team designs and optimizes pumps for your specific pumping needs.
Zukünftig geht der Trend zum personalisierten Produkt. Die Digitalisierung wird uns allerdings helfen, diese Varianz in den Griff zu bekommen. Gleichzeitig werden wir unsere Produkte intelligent machen, um letztendlich auch unseren Kunden dann die Möglichkeit zu geben, variantenreich zu produzieren.
Precision and process stability of the production processes are crucial to meeting our customers' exacting quality demands. All plastic components are manufactured in our own production facilities. In our in-house surface coating shop, we give our products the desired paint finish and bring color into the world.
Ich bin stolz drauf, MUNSCH mit meiner Farbgestaltung weltweit zu präsentieren.
The individual components arrive at the assembly line just in time and are assembled by the latest methods. Quality inspections are performed and documented after each production step to confirm product compliance. No product leaves our site without having undergone a rigorous test on our test bench. Our focus on quality is a key contributor to our customers' successful operations, something we are proud of.
Ich bin stolz darauf, dass unsere Kunden mit hochwertigen MUNSCH-Erzeugnissen erfolgreich sind.
The world is our market. We think and act global. Efficient and reliable solutions with meticulous attention to detail. These are the principles by which we have been guided for more than 50 years.
Das Unternehmen MUNSCH wurde 1964 von meinem Vater gegründet, damals mit 3 Mitarbeitern. Heute haben wir 130 Mitarbeiter. Dazu kommen dann noch 12 Auszubildende.
MUNSCH is a reliable employer for the region. Our competent staff is the key to our success.